Parker likes to get the lint from between her toes. You get the lint out?
Everything.
Pocket lint gone? Or toe lint? You got the toe jam? Did you get it out? Whoops. Did you get it out? So gross. Parker, that is so gross. Who taught you that, Mommy? Mommy must have taught you that. Yeah, you. Are your toes stinky? You got stinky feet?
Yes.
Stinky feet.